Welcome to Basler's BE1-FLEX video series. This video shows you how easy it is to replace a board of the same type on the BE1-FLEX. While the BE1-FLEX is designed for a long lifespan, we know products can be accidentally damaged. With this in mind, we've designed the BE1-FLEX to be easy to repair in the field. If there is a need for repair, the self-diagnostics within the BE1-FLEX will trigger a relay trouble alarm if it has detected any health problems with any of its boards. To do this, you will need a replacement board which can be ordered from Basler Electric as a spare part, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver if replacing a non-CT or PT board. To start, disconnect control power from the BE1-FLEX. We recommend you fully disconnect all power from the BE1-FLEX if possible. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew at the left and right side of the board. You can now pull the board straight out by pulling the mounting screws. When installing the new board, simply reverse the process and screw in the replacement. Press the board from just below the mounting screws to seat. If it does not slide in the seat and seat easily, it may be misaligned in the board guides. The new board is now installed and you can make final connections, restore control power, and remove any wiring shorts or disconnects that were performed in the process. Once the device is booted up, you will see the previously latched relay trouble alarm still asserted. Then view to acknowledge by pressing the alarm banner. After that, you can clear the alarm by pressing reset alarms. The initial relay trouble alarm is now off and the BE1-FLEX is ready to go back to work. We hope this video helped you learn how to replace the board if ever necessary and showed you another way the BE1-FLEX is designed to make your job easier. If you would like more information, please contact us or visit flex.basler.com for additional resources. Thanks for watching.